Versatile, lightweight, effortless. Introducing the PRAMAC line of pallet trucks and stackers. Made in Italy, precision manufacturing, top quality and craftsmanship. This exclusive lineup is offered only through Vestal Manufacturing and features hand pallet trucks, high lift trucks, electric pallet trucks, and electric stackers. The Recyclable Pallet Truck. This innovative pallet truck has high strength and low environmental impact. It can be used with cargo handling, logistics, warehouses, supermarkets, or anywhere a pallet truck is needed. The I-Ton is the only lifter in the world made with the aid of a non-metallic material and is light, quiet, maneuverable, and innovative. This pallet truck is based on the most modern technologies and provides robust strength. The recycled polymer offers the following benefits: lightweight, no permanent deformation, use in a wide range of temperatures, surface integrity, even in the presence of corrosive agents. The Recyclable Pallet Truck with galvanized pump from PRAMAC is available today. Versatile, lightweight, effortless. The PRAMAC line of pallet trucks and stackers, only from Vestal Manufacturing.